This crypto investment fund is a great opportunity to have people to get involved with cryptocurrency and get tax write-offs at the same time. So right now, I'm going to update you with what's going on. I've been working on a crypto fund. This crypto investment fund is a great opportunity to have people to get involved with cryptocurrency and get tax write-offs at the same time. So basically, right now, if you invested in crypto, you get no tax write-offs. And with what I'm creating, it would actually give people tax write-offs to help reduce their basis, because the concept is this: get a tax write-off, reduce your basis, and then your exposure is reduced. With the returns we're getting from our operation, should help almost achieve a full return on an investment within the first year. So from that point, you would have basically very limited amount of money in the investment remaining, or zero would be the best case scenario. So then any extra money you make after year one would be amazing. And you can have all this exposure to the crypto market with reduced risk. That's my goal, to try to provide an option to get people in the crypto market with reduced risk. I think that the crypto is the future and that everyone should have that opportunity. And if I can provide an opportunity to get people to have their investment back within the first year, again, that's the goal. Anything after that's gravy. And I think I figured out that opportunity. So great tax write-offs, great investment opportunities, great things to come. If you guys want more information, DM me. I'm not really allowed to really release all the information in a public forum from attorneys' advice. So in a private setting, we're going to be releasing more information. If you're an accredited investor, definitely DM me and we can get you a lot more information regarding this. So some things to keep in mind that I see that's going to be an issue is make sure you have all of your taxes documented properly. So right now, I'm going to go over some significant issues that are going to be popping up soon. Biden has expanded the budget for the IRS significantly. The reason he did that is because they're planning to increase the number of audits. When you have a socialistic government, what ends up happening is that the government ends up taking more money, centralizing it, taking it from the people, centralizing it. And what they do is they end up using that money to use that to spy on the citizens. That is very unfortunate because you're basically giving the government money to crack down on you and to monitor all the details of your life. Again, personally, I don't like that. I like freedom. What's going to end up happening is that money that he's taking, giving it to the IRS, they're expanding their force, and it's going to increase their audits roughly 400%. So the odds of an audit happening is going to increase dramatically. It is extremely important to make sure that you have everything documented properly, because if you go through an audit, you want to make sure that the process goes quickly, that they come, they review your documents, they verify all the information, and that everything comes out properly. If you're not properly preparing your tax returns and documenting things properly, it can become a difficult time during your audit, and it can become very costly because it's going to take them additional time to review your documents. It's going to take your attorney additional time to review what the IRS is doing, and it's going to cost you more money in the long run. So make sure you're running things properly so you don't have any issues. This one says, what's it called? Where you gain interest on Chainlink. Okay, so on Chainlink, I use Nexo, and Nexo or Nexio, Nexo, offers really good interest. And based off of that, I will actually even tell you what their offering is. So there's different interest rates based off if you stake or if you don't stake. If you do not stake your coin and you want your interest in additional Chainlink, so you can earn up to 8% on Chainlink. If you do not fix your interest, you only get 4%. If you do fix your interest rate on Chainlink, it's 5%, and you get paid out in additional Chainlink. Now, if you choose to receive your payout in the Nexo coin, you get an extra 2 points. So instead of getting 5%, you would get 7% on the currency. But you wouldn't get paid out in Chainlink, you would get paid out in Nexo coin, which there is benefits to that, because if you have a certain number of Nexo coin, it would actually increase the amount of interest you earn. So if you hold 10% of your portfolio within your Nexo wallet in Nexo coin, you get additional interest. For example, if you own none of your portfolio, you get no additional interest. But if you own 1% of your portfolio in Nexo coin, you get an additional 0.25% interest on all your coins. If you own 5% of Nexo coin in your wallet, you would get 0.5% interest on all your coins. And if you had 10% position in that wallet in Nexo coin, you get an additional 1% interest on all of the coins you have inside of this wallet on the coins that they're willing to pay interest on. So certain coins they don't pay any interest. But again, I only hold in my Nexo wallet the coins that they will pay me interest on. That also gives me, in my concept, because some things I'm afraid of is I've heard people have their coins stolen out of their warm wallet. What's a warm wallet? So, for example, Coinbase, which is one of the most popular exchanges, wallet, it's an exchange and it's a wallet. It's an exchange because you can buy and sell coins. It's a wallet because the coins can sit there and you can hold them there. Don't think that if you buy on Coinbase that no one can take it. Someone can still steal it out of that wallet. If you make a mistake and somehow people get your information, they get a hold of your phone, they can transfer the money out of your Coinbase wallet. And if you have a significant amount of money, like many people do, they lost it. People have stolen it. At the Bitcoin conference, there was people there stealing people's coins out of their wallet because they left themselves vulnerable. So don't, one, make your password easy, and don't let anyone know, and don't let anyone have access to your phone, because if they do, they can take your money. Now, a warm wallet is on an app where you can have access to it basically anywhere on the planet, as long as you can log into that app. A cold wallet is normally on your computer hard drive, or what's more common today, on an encrypted flash drive. That's a cold wallet, which means you can only have access to that cryptocurrency if you have access to that flash drive. If you lose that flash drive, you lost your crypto. That's a cold wallet.